Guys, this is Business Math 1, and today we're going to do the lesson 9.3, which is purchasing a new used vehicle. Okay, the objective for this lesson is the student will be able to calculate the average retail price or wholesale price of a used vehicle by, just want to use one formula. I wanted to tell you something, guys. Yesterday, my grandson just realized that grandma is a YouTuber, that she has a YouTube channel, and he was really excited about it. So I'm going to speak in Spanish a little bit, and I promised him that I was gonna say, hello to him. So, hola cachetes, okay? Un saludo y un besote muy grande para mi niño Iker, okay? Te quiero mucho, cachetón. Besos. Bye, sweetie pie. Okay, so what is it? The purchasing an used vehicle. So dealers must display a buyer's guide sticker in a window for a used vehicle for sale. Okay, so they need to specify what that car has. So what is important when we buy a used car? So the engine, right? That is good. The miles, how many miles that car has been, the people prior, been driving the car, and the interiors in their good condition. It will live in Arizona, the air conditioning, please. Okay, so there's a lot of things that we look when we are trying to buy a used car. And the dealers, they must display the same as the new car. When they have a used car, they must display, all the things that car has. Okay, so what is the tip that I want to give it to you? The dealers usually advertise, guys, used vehicles for prices that are higher than expect you to pay. So what that means, that we're going to negotiate the price. So when you see the price, you say that there is no way. And there is some, ways that we can know when, if that vehicle is worth, the price that the dealers has put in there. Why? So by using a used vehicle guide, what is this? It gives us the average price for used cars. The National Automobile Dealers Association, it is NADA, in Vehicle Markets Resource, the VMR, guides published monthly, okay? The average prices for vehicles purchased for the dealers, during the previous month. So it is not like the value of this vehicle 10 years ago. No, it is every month. So you can go to those guides, and you wanted to buy a specific car, you can go and you will find what is the value of that car for that month. Okay, so there's another ways you can go to websites. There is Kelley Blue Book and Edmunds. That one, that they can help you to decide how much you want to pay for a used car. Okay, so there's a lot of places that you can go, and so you can get all the information that you need if you wanted to buy a used car. So not only for the looks, guys, ladies, we don't buy it just for the looks. So we have to, check everything. And another important thing that we have to know when we buy a used car, if it is the car was involved in an accident, guys. Okay, because a lot of people, they buy cars from actions. You can buy cars from particular person as well, and you can buy the government and insurance they take when they take the cars, or the dealers, they take the cars as well. So you go into actions, and you have to be very careful when you go to those places. Or when you buy, to a particular person, you need to ask if that car was involved in an accident. So in the example that we have over here, it is Marco Hammer. It's shopping for a used Jeep, which is advertised in $16,284. It is 3-year-old, has been driven 37,521 miles. So he has no air conditioner. Oh no, I will not buy it myself. The used vehicle guides indicate, okay, an average retail value of $16,725. The guide also states that $950 should be deducted for the lack of air conditioning, and $350 should be deducted as well if the miles is between $35,000 and $40,000. So what are we going to do? We're going to use just one formula, like I said at the beginning. So what is this formula? It is the average retail price. It is equal average retail value plus, okay, additional options minus, guys, options deductions, and this one very, very important, minus the miles. Deduction. So in the example, it is here, one is how much they advertise, and the other price, it is the one that is, the average retail value. That is the one that we're going to use. So the average retail value, it is $16,725. Do we have additional options? We do not. Okay, so do we have options deductions? Yep, it has no air conditioner, and it says so take it away, deducted of $950. And it says here you have to deduct $350 if the miles it is between 35,000 and 40,000. And this car has been driving, for 37,000. So yes, we are going to deduct those 350. So we're gonna do the math. It is 60,725 minus the 950 and minus the 350. We not adding anything because we don't have any additional options. So the average retail price, it has to be $15,425. Okay, there is no table for you guys to use. It is just this simple formula. Pay attention when they give you the advertised price and then the average retail value. That is the one that you are going to use. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Okay, have a good day, guys. Bye.